material to a object, to a cube? Well, you could go right here inside the layout. We have the little material right here. Or if you want to get more advanced, is we can go to the actual shading workspace. So on the very top here, we have the shading workspace. I'm going to click here and we can see we are in material preview. So what's really cool is when you're in the shading workspace and we're in the material preview, it gives you HDRI so that we can kind of um, get a look and feel of what your texture is going to be. Now, right below that is we have the nodes. We have the material nodes. So, and what's again pretty cool about this is we can mix and match different material types. We can add transparency to it. We do a lot of cool stuff. But most cases, you can probably get away with just using the principal BDSF. So the principal BSDF, it's a physically based rendering material. This was actually donated from the Unreal game engine. So because of their success with Fortnite and stuff, they donate to other causes essentially. And one of the things is they actually gave their code to the Blender community in order to have um, you know, a physically based rendering system. So it's really cool what they did. And it just really shows, the love people have for Blender because it's free and open source. So going through this, the principal BDSF, there's a lot of cool stuff we can do in here. For example, is we can turn this cube metallic. So if I change the metallic to, let's say, 1, kind of have a metallic look and feel to the cube now. Now, we could also make it even more like a mirror is we change the roughness to a 0. And now it looks like a mirror. So a mirror, the way a mirror works is it's perfectly flat. So that's what roughness means, is like how flat is it? How is the surface type? So again, because this is physically based, it actually goes based off science. So if material is metallic and the roughness is 0, then it's a perfect mirror. So that's what's happening right here. So there's a lot of cool things we can do with the principal BDSF. But note that we're in object mode. So over here, we are in object mode, and there's also world mode.